Reading and listening. Reading on Lesson 6, Student's Book, page 10. Habiba Marzouk is a gymnast. She is 18 and lives in Cairo. With her family, Habiba has a very busy life. She goes to school and she studies hard. In the evenings, she trains for 5 or 6 hours. She is a top gymnast in Africa and she wants to go to the Olympics. Habiba's family always helps her. She eats healthy food so that she can stay strong. Gymnastics is a difficult sport, but it makes her happy.
On Lesson 6, Workbook page 77. My name is Omar. Nabila is my sister. She lives with me and my family in Damietta. Her favorite food is fish. I like cheese. We have the same hobbies. We like swimming. We go swimming on Saturday and Sunday. My sister plays chess, too. I do not like chess. How old is Nabila? She is 12. That is the same as me. I am 12, too.
On Lesson 7 Student's Book page 11. My name's Lamia. I'm 9 years old. I live in Aswan with my family. My parents are teachers. My brother Ali is 13 years old. And Khaled is 9. Khaled goes swimming every Friday. I listen to music with my brothers. Ali plays football at school and he watches football matches on TV. Khaled goes swimming every Friday. There is a swimming pool near our house. My best friend is called Aya. We play basketball at school, and we're both in the school team. Our team is very good. On Lesson 7 Workbook page 78.
Munir and Mustafa are twins. Their sister is called Radwa. Her hobby is tennis. And she is my best friend. I live with my brother. And his name is Sayed. Our house is in Cairo. What is your best friend's name?